So thank you everybody for joining our session, and I do thank my colleague Gino very, very much. That was a long session, but personally it was extremely interesting, and I'm sure you lasted the 2 hours like myself. You know, the takeaways there, I think that Gino shared with us are super important. You know, the lightweighting of the components not only is benefit of making a drone lighter, but it's for increasing the capabilities of the drone, enabling it to fly further, and making your drone more versatile to different situations. The scalability is super important. Building drones at scale and the acceleration of this market is something extremely difficult to cope with and cater for, and 3D printing or additive manufacturing can help you and assist with you in growing with the needs of the drones that are put on the demand of your business. And time to market. Time is everything. Gino used an example of one drone company that called him in an emergency situation saying, I've got 8 weeks to make this delivery. Time is ultra important, and this tool, additive manufacturing from HP, is something that can enable you to do this. So again, I do thank Gino. I thank you as our audience, and I encourage you to come up here and have a look at some of these parts. Gino spoke about lightweight. I don't know what the understatement of lightweight is, or the extreme of lightweight is, but you will be very, very surprised at how light some of these parts are, even lighter than carbon fiber, which is widely used today. So once again, thank you for joining this session. Please enjoy looking at these parts, and I wish you the best for the rest of today. Thank you very much.